Stop everything you're doing and take a hard look at your current routine. If you're over 45 and feel like your energy is literally draining down a tailpipe, I have a tough question for you. How much longer are you going to settle for living at half capacity? A man's greatest fear shouldn't be growing old. It should be becoming invisible and incapable while he's still here. Most of you are flooding your system with beetroot juice, following recycled advice that's been playing like a broken record for years. While you're out there trying to choke down tough vegetables, time is ticking away, and your window of opportunity to reclaim peak vitality is slamming shut. I'm Mark Hayes, and today I'm going to show you why you're losing the race to the men who have already discovered the red gold secret. If you want results that show up in days, not months, you need to hear what I have to say right now. The beetroot fail and the rise of red spinach. Science has evolved, but most people are still stuck in 2015. Is beetroot good? Sure. But for a modern man under high stress, it's just inefficient. It's loaded with sugar, and your body has to work overtime just to convert those nitrates. That's exactly why you don't feel that immediate kick. The secret the biohacking elite is using right now is red spinach. This isn't Popeye's basic canned spinach. This is a concentrated powerhouse. Clinical studies show it can pack up to 500% more nitrates than beetroot. But you can't just eat the leaf and call it a day. There's a specific technique, an activation protocol that almost nobody knows, that triggers an explosive release of nitric oxide directly into your bloodstream. The activation protocol, the Piperine secret. Here's how you're going to implement this today, with zero effort and without spending hours in the kitchen. To extract every single drop of power from red spinach, you don't need complex recipes. The most effective way, lab tested to ensure total absorption, is the nightly performance shot. You're going to take a small serving of red spinach. Concentrated powder is easiest, or fresh leaves blended with just 4 ounces of water. But here is the pro-level secret that separates the amateurs from the experts. You're going to add a tiny pinch of black pepper. Why? Black pepper contains piperine. Without piperine, your digestive system wastes a massive portion of those nitrates. Piperine acts like a master key, unlocking your cellular doors and ensuring that nitric oxide is released instantly, optimizing blood flow in minutes. It's simple, it's fast, and the effort is practically zero for a return you'll feel the very first morning. Now, I know you value your time. You want maximum results with the absolute minimum time wasted. This red spinach and pepper shot is the first step. But if you're the kind of man who doesn't want to just try, but wants to guarantee he's using the purest, most potent formula on the planet without hunting for rare ingredients or worrying about dosages, I have something you need to see. There is a shortcut. Something I personally use that condenses all this power into an even faster, more effective solution. This is for the guys who want to skip the trial and error and go straight to the results that actually turn heads. If you feel like you deserve this upgrade and want to see your performance skyrocket with zero extra effort, click the link I left in the pinned comment below. Time waits for no one, and this opportunity to transform your body this easily won't stay available forever. Before I go, a quick warning. I don't bring these secrets here to entertain you. I bring them to transform you. If you're a man of action, someone who seeks cutting-edge knowledge and wants to stay one step ahead of the curve, you know what to do. Subscribing here isn't just clicking a button, it's signing a contract with your best self. Show your authority with one click, and I'll see you at the next level. I'm Mark Hayes, and your new journey starts now.